What's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Strawberry Farm ulit. Pero marami tayong pupuntahan, hindi lang Strawberry Farm. Actually, may pupuntahan din tayong tunnel na hindi pa namin napupuntahan dati. But this time, I will tour you to different locations where you can spend a day in Perth at least. To the places close in Perth. And our first destination for today is the Strawberry Farm. At ayan nga guys, andito na tayo sa Strawberry Farm at napakalawak talaga ng farm na ito. And I think I featured already this place in one of my vlogs. And we are coming back here today because it's very memorable for the kids. And they enjoy picking grapes and stuff like that. Actually, hindi pa kami nagbabayad. And I think you can just pick and eat here. At kung gusto mo lang tumikim, you can just come and pwede kang pumulot at tumikim like these kids are doing. Pero if you want a box, syempre bibilihin mo yan with a I think it's $15 per box. I'm not too sure. Syempre hindi natin papalagpasin yan. Kailangan din natin tikman for the second time. Parang mas matamis siya ngayon kaysa nung nakaraang year. Sarap.
Oh, it's so good.
Yum. It's yum?
It's sweet.
Wow, that is so perfect.
Strawberry.
At napakaluwang ng farm na to mga guys. It's very good experience to come here during picking season. I think at this time it's October in Perth. So ang dami talaga mga tourists na pumupunta dito just to do the picking and experience this wonderful adventure. So if you want to plan and visit this place, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And if you had a chance, you can just come here and try this amazing experience. Cass, did you enjoy picking?
Yeah, dami ng pick ni Kuya.
Oh, did you eat something there? You're not allowed to eat there, Lucas. Did you eat something?
Yeah.
Can I see your mom?
Yeah.
You go to jail. So ayan, welcome. Nandito na kami sa isang place kung saan maglalakad kami papuntang tunnel daw. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong lugar to. But I'll put the place in the description link below para malaman niyo kung saan kami ngayon.
Ayan, pero bago kami mag-hike, kumain muna kami para siguradong full tank. At salamat sa ating food sponsor ngayon, ang Villasencio at ang Budomo family. Nabusog kami at talaga namang masarap maglakad kapag ganitong hindi ka nagugutom.
So ang pangalan pala ng lugar na to is Swan View Heritage Park. So yan. At ayan, maglalakad na kami papunta sa loob. I don't know what to expect. Sabi nila may tunnel, may falls. But let's see and I'll show you later.
At nagsimula na ngang mag-assemble ang team. Ready na para mag-hike.
And along the trail guys, mag-i-enjoy talaga kayo dahil napakaganda ng view. So yung trail mga guys, malapad siya. Pwedeng magdala ng mountain bike if you want to. And it's a good for family activity. I think it's very safe in here, especially during daytime. Kasi talagang yung trail is ginawa para lakaran ng mga tao. And here we go. Nakikita ko na yung tunnel. Papasok na kami dito and I think the kids are so excited to see this. And from this point, makikita nyo rin yung end ng tunnel. So, very, very short lang siya. But I advise that you bring some torch with you or ilaw, flashlight kasi medyo floody yung lugar para maiwasan ng any kind of accidents like madulas or something like that. But, yeah, let's go inside. At ayan, nandito na tayo sa kalagitnaan ng tunnel. And I don't know if you can still see me kasi may itim ako. But yeah, madilim at kailangan nyo nga talaga ng flashlight when you come here. But nevertheless, it's still safe kasi mabato yung daanan, hindi siya madulas. Kaya lang merong mga wet areas na kailangan yung ingatan para hindi mabasa yung paan. And if you are here with kids, be sure to hold their hands kasi pwede silang tadapa at masugatan. Kita mo na yung liwanag. Oh, near-death experience. Yeah, so this tunnel is made on 1895. Yan. At yan, nakalabas silang lahat. Oh. Very successful entry and exit. Very good, guys. Now we can go back. Let's go. Ayan, it's so good. There's always light at the end of the tunnel, sabi nga nila. And this is another spot to visit. Talaga namang exciting.
Paglabas ng tunnel, nagpahinga muna kami saglit while the kids started playing and enjoying themselves, looking around, taking photos, and enjoying the scenery.
So ito na yung answer sa ating trivia. Dati pala siyang mine site at yung tunnel kanina na nakita natin is dating train line. Yun. Now you know. Ganda ng outfit ulit. Kasi lutang-lutang yung color. Are you guys enjoying?
Yeah. What's up, guys? We just took pictures and we took a picture on the high rocks and we nearly fell down.
Really?
Yeah. She nearly fell down. No, like I don't want to slip actually.
And from this place, naririnig ko na yung lagaslas ng tubig. I can sense that there's water flowing at the bottom of the hill. So I think malapit na tayo sa falls. And I can actually see the stream of water down there. I don't know if you can see it, but let me try to show you.
Basically, the train crash was over here when they're driving.
Somebody died?
I don't know. It's killing one man and 7 horses.
That's so sad.
Now we are 700 meters from the waterfall.
And finally, we're here in the waterfalls. Nakakapagod. Pero tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata.
It's cold.
It's cold? Sige, mamaya. Thank you.
Brother Neds, tingin ka. Guwapo.
Once settled, nagsimula na mag-swimming ang mga bata. Medyo madulas dito mga guys, so be sure to keep your kids safe and watch their moves all the time.
So, ano ang pakiramdam ng tubig? Napakalamig. Sinubukan ko kanina, lamig ng tubig. Pero yung mga bata, tuwan-tuwa sila. Oh. Kitang-kita nyo naman, naglalaro sila sa tubig. At napakaganda nga ng lugar na to guys. Just to spend your time with the family. Ay, kakapagod nga lang syempre mag-hike. Lalo na ngayon sa status natin na tumatanda na tayo. But the kids are enjoying it. So, yeah, it's a good fun. And they're having a good time today. And it's safe here. And that's the main thing. If you are traveling with your family and especially with the small ones, ang gusto niyo eh safe lahat. It's a very good place and highly recommended to visit if you got some time in the future or later on. And as I have said, I'll put the address and the location of this place in the description link below. And hopefully you enjoyed this trip guys, and hopefully for those who have not, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next vlog. See ya and God bless everyone.